2011 BMW 328i X or 328xi drive. So it's all-wheel drive. What we got done on it, got factory converters up there on the manifold. Then it goes dual into a secondary converters there. Then it wires into a single there into a resonator. And then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we continued that into a dual tip because we did a muffler delete right there. There's the dual tip right there, blue flame right there, as you guys can see. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. BMW 328i. Here's sound decibels. 92. Go ahead. Rear muffler delete. A little bit of the tone, not too much. I like it. That tip looks good on it too. Let you guys hear on this.